Hi! We are here at Camp Puestohan dito sa Negros. So, we will walk around. Sa mga hindi pa nakakarating dito, ipapakita namin sa inyo how it looks like. It's really nice here, guys. Wait ha. So, ayan. Ayan yung mga view dito. Diba? Ang daming spots na talagang Instagrammable. Talagang pang SOCMED talagang datingan. So, meron dalawang dino. Ayun. Ayun. Okay. Titingnan ko. Hindi ko pa ito dati nakita. Second time ko na nakapunta dito. Pero yung first time is medyo matagal na yun. So, basically, nasa taas siya ng mountain. Ang entrance fee is 250 ang regular rate. And pwede kayong pumunta through private car or merong mga vehicle na papunta talaga dito na hahanapin nyo lang, i-google nyo kung paano. Kasi merong pick-up point at drop point at saka may oras siya. Okay, naglalakad tayo ngayon to see what's in here. Meron din sila mga accommodation dito. Sana plan namin mag-overnight. Kaso, nung nag-check kami, puno na siya. Ayan, nakikita nyo guys, yung mga yan. Yan yung mga isa sa accommodation. Parang iba-ibang theme siya. So, dito, nakalagay, ang theme ay Indian Village. Ganyan yung itsura ng accommodation. Picture-tan ko. Ooh. Okay. Ito yung, sabi ng anak ko, ang ganda raw pati ng trash can nila. Ayan, yung mga trash bin. Oh, ang ganda. It's so colorful. I like it. Oh, ang ganda. Yan. Ito yung mga accommodation. Hindi ko lang alam kasi hindi na namin na-check. Kasi nung kami nag-inquire, nagsabi na sila kaagad na puno na. Pero ang ganda niya. Sana next time maka-avail tayo dito, maka-experience. Shall I take picture of you? I wonder if that's for bonfire. No. So, this way is heading doon sa yung para sa mga nagsuswimming. What's that? Oh, there's an obstacle course. That's nice. It's dry. Okay, tas end ko lang. Okay, these are the other attraction and photo op in the area. Ay, ang cute. Ang ganda ng log house. Okay, ito yung kanilang mini gym. Do you want to go there? As you could see, meron dong malaking manok. Kasi along the way papunta dito, maraming farm ng manok, yung panabong na manok. So maybe that's the reason why meron sila doong manok. Yun. Yan, papunta na tayo sa mga cottages. Ang daming tao right now. Okay, so meron tayong shoe house. Just like in the children's rhyme, there was an old woman who lived in the shoe. Yeah, this is just one of their pool. I'm going to take photo. And it has a Guinness World Record, award. Really? That's cool. Okay, so over there's a slide pool. Yeah. Over here, there are more chickens. Chicken. Oh, there. I want to go take a picture. Okay, lapitan nga natin at nang makapaphoto op. Charot! And it's showering as of the moment. I see a squid over there. What's that squid? Okay, outdoor cafe. Oh, wait lang. This structure is cool. Ano kaya yan? Accommodation kaya yan o CR? But it's nice. And this one. Kaso lang, there's plenty of people. Okay, there's plenty of people here. Mainit, pero umaambon.
Let's swim.
So this is the wave pool. This one is probably for kids kasi mukhang mababaw siya. Pero ang ganda! Very Instagrammable. Take picture of me. Wait! It's a King Kong, but there's so many people, so we will probably skip that. There's a Christmas thingy here. Ito siguro pag gabi meron tong ilaw. For sure. Kasi may mga Christmas lights eh. It's nice. So there's a pizzeria here. Marami ring pagkain dito mabibili. By the way. So ito yung kainan. Dito kami kumain kanina. Ang meal ay 175 and you have options. Basta meron siyang rice, may egg, and may ulam. Breakfast yung kinain namin. So, yun yung cost niya. Okay. Konti na lang yung mga people kasi tapos na sila mag-breakfast. Malaki yung area, kaya kaya niya mag-accommodate ng maraming tao. May wave pool din sila dito. Ang galing. Ito yung pinaka-gusto ng lahat. Yung pinaka-attraction, yung wave pool. Hindi nga lang siya gaano malakas compared sa ibang napuntahan naming wave pool. Pero masaya yung mga bata. Ayun, meron din silang bubbles. I wonder kung makakalinis ba yan ng head yung bubbles. No, it's just for fun.